Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by choosing a tool and preparing the PC. This determines capabilities and performance. Once decided, make sure your OS, GPU drivers, and about 500 MB free disk are ready because installs write cache and assets. Next, download from the official store, run the installer, and grant admin and firewall permissions so the app can access media and system settings. You do this now to avoid permission errors later. Once installed, the app will prompt to import or browse wallpapers. Now configure the wallpaper itself. Import your video, GIF, or HTML5 scene and pick quality settings. Once imported, set loop behavior, frame rate cap, and an appropriate resolution scale to balance visuals versus FPS. This prevents stutters. Make sure to choose GPU priority versus CPU decoding depending on your hardware. GPU is usually smoother. Then create profiles for each monitor and set audio sync or mute. Finally, enable automatic start so the wallpaper loads with Windows. Finish by applying the wallpaper to the chosen monitor configuration, either span across screens or assign per monitor. Once applied, test aspect ratio and position, then set schedules or randomized playlists if you want variety throughout the day. Make sure the app is allowed to run at startup and that power settings don't suspend background tasks. If things break, try the key troubleshooting step. Disable hardware acceleration in the app, update GPU drivers, and re-enable permissions. That fixes most black screens or performance drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.